Don't you hate when something tries to die in every possible way, but you are just not ready to let it go? Hello everybody, this week, as you heard in the intro, we are going to fix my MacBook's audio. But first, have you spotted the mistake I've made in last week's video? If you don't know what I'm talking about, a card just appeared in the top right corner. Go check that video. It was hard to catch, but as you can see, I've cut the battery leads all in one go, risking a short and a fire. I really must be more careful about it next time. Well done if you spot it, but now back to today's video. As you've heard, we have some kind of audio problem with my Mac, and by using a sine sweep, we can hear that the low frequencies are not being played as they should. Having disassembled this computer many times, I know that it has two tweeters for the high frequencies and a woofer for the lower ones. My guess is that the latter abandoned me. As always, we need to undo the screws and remove the back cover. After that, we need to remove the Wi-Fi card that I've already modified in an old video, and also remove the disk drive that I've replaced with an SSD. Now we simply need to remove the 6 screws that are keeping the speaker attached to the case. One screw hides itself under the hard drive cable, and, after disconnecting the red and black cable, remove the two-part speaker itself. We can clearly see how the woofer is completely destroyed, and it is no surprise that it was sounding so bad. The broken one is not repairable, but the replacement is really easy. We just need to reassemble everything in the opposite order. The 3 shorter screws are for the tweeter, the thinner part, and the longer one are for the woofer. About those last screws, the shorter one goes in the middle hole, and the other 2 in the sides. For the bottom cover, the 3 long screws are placed in the circled holes, and always remember to tighten them in a crisscross pattern. After turning it on, we can hear that the Mac chime sounds good, and the sine sweep is also playing nicely. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you've learned something new. As always, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week. But in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.